G'day everyone, you are on the channel Leo. My name is Leonid Kovac, I'm journalist and creator of this channel. Today I'm shooting a new video about 10 interesting facts about our body. So let's start with preview. Fact number 1. Sweat doesn't smell bad. You probably won't believe this, because just a sniff is enough to refute our statement. And then, if sweat has no odor, why does humanity invent all sorts of deodorants and lotions? In fact, sweat itself does not smell of anything, since it consists mainly of water, but it also contains acids secreted by aproxin glands in the armpits, chest, and groin. Bacteria living on the skin decompose these acids, and their waste products emit an unpleasant odor. Eyes see the world upside down. This was proven by physicist René Descartes back in the 17th century. He projected an image of cut-out bull's eye onto a paper screen, and it was upside down in accordance with all the laws of physics. The fact is that light is refracted when passing through the cornea and lens, so that the projection of this visible object is rotated. Bruh. Fact number 3. We are home to 3 kilograms of bacteria. If you think that you are the only inhabitant of your body, then you are mistaken. The number of bacteria living in the human body is 3 times greater than the number of its own cells. But they weigh quite little in comparison with our skeleton, muscles, and entrails, about 1-3 kilograms. In addition, not only bacteria live in us, but also archaea, fungi, protists, and viruses. Some of them do really useful things. For example, they are involved in digestion and protect against pathogens and harmful substances. People are made of stars. It is quite possible that you have heard such an interesting saying. Every atom in your body came from an exploding star, and perhaps the atoms of your left hand belong to a different star than the one from which the atoms of your right hand came. This is the most poetic thing I know about physics. We are all made of stardust. You would not be here if the stars had not exploded, because the chemical elements carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, iron, everything that is needed for emergence of evolution and for life, were not created at the beginning of time. They were created in the nuclear furnaces of stars. And in order to turn into your bodies, the stars had to explode. So forget about Jesus. The stars died for you to be here today. This is true. Number 5. It's impossible to tickle yourself. When someone else tickles you, you may twitch, laugh, or struggle, but try to tickle yourself and you won't success. It is assumed that tickling appeared in the process of evolution as a means of protection from insects, spiders, and other unpleasant creatures that crawl on people and can harm them. If someone else tickles you, then this is also perceived as the threat. But if you tickle yourself, the body will not react, because it will understand that it is doing this to itself. Human bones are as strong as granite. Human bone is one of the strongest materials on Earth. It is stronger than concrete and approximately equal to granite. A bone the size of a matchbox can withstand a force of 9 tons. This is 4 times that the mass that a concert ball can withstand. The strongest and most durable, and at the same time the largest bone is the human body in the femur, which can only be broken when applying very extreme forces, for example in an accident. The total length of human blood vessels is almost 100,000 kilometers. If all the vessels in the human body, from large arteries and veins to the smallest capillaries, are accidents in one line, then their total length will be about 100,000 kilometers. This is enough to wrap the globe around the equator 2.5 times.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Human skin renews itself every month. Human skin has an area of about 2 square meters and weighs about 18 kilograms, or about 25% of the human body weight. The process of its renewal is impracticable but constant. Dead cells constantly fall off. New ones grow in return, and so on endlessly. Within a month, a person's skin is completely renewed, and if you measure the weight of the skin that a person sheds during his life, it will be about 2 kilograms. Human has many more than 5 senses. It is believed that humans have 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. But this is just a myth. In fact, there are many more feelings. How much exactly is difficult to say with precision. Science doctors themselves find it difficult to define the concept of feeling, but it would be quite correct to say that a person have 5 traditional senses and more than 20 non-traditional ones. Among them are proprioception, when determines the ability to spatial orientation, feelings or temperature, pain and vibration, and hunger. Some human senses have not yet been studied at all. For example, scientists are trying to understand whether humans, like birds and sharks, can sense electromagnetic fields. When a person loses their little finger, they lose half of their hand strength. Losing the little finger results in the loss of 50% of the strength of the entire hand. The fact is that the little finger plays a decisive role in squeezing it. It supports the weakest ring finger. If you put your hand on the table, palm down, and start raising your fingers one at a time, the ring finger will hardly rise without the little finger. That is, with the loss of the little finger, a person loses as it were not one but 2 fingers. I'm so satisfied that you watched the video until the end. If you like this content about interesting facts, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell.